Millionaire's Guide to Success. Mastering Wealth Skills. This empowering journey will lead you towards financial prosperity and abundance as you embrace the mindset and essential skills required to become a millionaire. Set clear goals. They give you direction and purpose. Start by defining specific goals that resonate with your passions and values. As you set these clear markers, you create a roadmap that keeps you focused and determined amid challenges. Remember, each goal achieved is a milestone to celebrate and a step closer to realizing your dreams. So dare to dream big, set your sights high, and let your clear goals become the guiding stars on your path to financial abundance and fulfillment. Build multiple income streams. Multiple income streams act as a safety net, shielding you from economic uncertainties. Embrace the mindset of an entrepreneur, seeking opportunities beyond your primary source of income. Invest in assets that generate passive revenue, explore side hustles aligned with your talents and interests, and venture into online businesses or real estate ventures. The more streams you create, the more you empower yourself to weather financial storms and achieve exponential growth. Take bold steps towards diversification, and let the abundance of multiple income streams propel you towards the life of your dreams. Invest wisely. Embrace the power of knowledge, and educate yourself about various investment options to make informed decisions. Take calculated risks, understanding that every investment carries potential rewards. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and maximize returns, ensuring you're not reliant on a single asset. Stay patient and disciplined, allowing your investments to grow steadily over time. Investing is not just about monetary gains, but also about securing your future and creating a legacy. Let your wise investment choices become the catalyst for your financial success, and watch your wealth flourish. Track financial progress. Monitoring your financial journey keeps you on course towards your goals. Regularly review your income, expenses, savings, and investments, celebrating milestones and identifying areas for improvement. Embrace the clarity that tracking provides, enabling you to make informed decisions and adjust your strategies as needed. Progress is not always linear. There may be ups and downs, but consistent tracking allows you to stay focused and resilient. Let your financial progress be a source of motivation and inspiration, propelling you forward with the wind of success at your back. Protect your assets. Just as a fortress safeguards its treasures, securing your hard-earned wealth shields you from potential risks and uncertainties. Assess your insurance needs, ensuring adequate coverage for health, life, property, and investments. Work closely with qualified professionals to implement legal and financial safeguards that protect your assets from unforeseen events. Embrace the mindset of proactive planning, as prevention is often more valuable than cure. Protecting your assets is not just about preserving your wealth but also ensuring a solid foundation for continued growth. Let the shield of protection you create be your armor of confidence, allowing you to fearlessly pursue your dreams and seize every opportunity that comes your way. Join our blog, BraylenAV.com, for access to expert tips, the latest updates, and a treasure trove of knowledge. Come along for the ride. We'll see you there. Maintain a positive mindset. Believe in your abilities. Self-confidence opens doors to success that you never thought possible. Surround yourself with positivity, seeking inspiration from those who've walked the path to greatness. Challenges are stepping stones, not stumbling blocks, and a positive mindset turns setbacks into valuable lessons. Let this outlook become the driving force behind your achievements, propelling you towards the limitless heights of financial success and personal fulfillment. Stay committed. Staying committed is the unwavering thread weaving through the fabric of the Millionaire's Guide to Success, illuminating the path to mastering wealth skills. Just as a sculptor patiently molds a masterpiece, commitment shapes your journey towards financial abundance. Embrace the determination to persevere through challenges, knowing that every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Believe in your vision and unwaveringly follow your dreams. Commitment breeds the tenacity needed to overcome obstacles. Success may not come overnight, but each day you stay committed is a step forward. Let your commitment be the flame that burns brightly, igniting the passion within you and leading you towards the glorious realization of your millionaire aspirations. Monitor credit score. Regularly check your credit report, ensuring accuracy and identifying areas for improvement. A good credit score opens doors to favorable loan terms, lower interest rates, and enhanced financial flexibility. Let your credit score be a badge of honor, a testament to your wise financial choices and a powerful tool on your path to becoming a millionaire. Review and optimize expenses. Meticulously examining your expenses ensures financial efficiency. Embrace the art of frugality, identifying areas where you can cut unnecessary costs and redirect funds towards wealth-building endeavors. Regularly assess your spending habits, finding ways to balance enjoyment and responsible financial choices. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned on the path to financial freedom. Let the wisdom of optimizing expenses be your secret ingredient, adding flavor to your financial journey and propelling you towards a life of abundance and prosperity. Stay focused on your niche. Embracing your unique expertise brings unparalleled focus and expertise. Take on the passion that drives you. It fuels the relentless pursuit of excellence in your chosen field. Stay committed to your vision, avoiding distractions that may divert you from your ultimate goals. Greatness is often found in specialization, not in being a jack of all trades. Let your niche be the canvas upon which you paint your success story, and watch as your unwavering dedication propels you towards the pinnacle of financial achievement and personal fulfillment. Practice delayed gratification. The cornerstone of the Millionaire's Guide to Success, as it propels you towards mastering wealth skills and achieving remarkable success. Picture it as planting seeds that grow into abundant harvests. Delaying immediate pleasures allows for greater rewards in the future. Embrace the discipline to resist instant gratification, making conscious choices that align with your long-term goals. Every sacrifice made today paves the way for a more prosperous tomorrow. Embrace the vision of a life beyond fleeting desires, where your patient efforts blossom into lasting achievements. Let delayed gratification be the compass guiding you through the temptations of today, towards the grand achievements and enduring wealth of tomorrow. Congratulations on completing the Millionaire's Guide to Success, mastering wealth skills. Through this transformative journey, you've embraced the mindset and skills necessary to unlock your financial potential. Remember, becoming a millionaire is about continuous growth, resilience, and lifelong learning. Stay committed to your goals, surround yourself with positivity and mentors, and remain focused on your purpose. As you move forward, let determination fuel your actions, and believe in the impact you can create not only in your life but also in the lives of others. Your path to financial freedom and abundance begins now. Embrace it with confidence, and let your journey to success be an inspiring legacy for generations to come.